Good morning. In the last class, we have discussed about double integration in polar form. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about change of variables, change into polar forms. So, change of variables in double integral. So, actually every double integral problem may not simple to evaluate, right. So, in this case we take some substitution with new variables to evaluate a given integral. So, here change into polar form. So, actually Cartesian to polar form. So, how to change into polar form? Here we have to take some substitution. So, what is that substitution? So, to change into polar form, here put x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, and then so here dx dy is write as r dr d theta. This is the some substitution to change into polar form, right. Now, now we can take we take one by example change of variables. So, first here the problem is evaluate integral 0 to a integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square y into square root of x square plus y square dx dy. This is our problem. Evaluate double integral 0 to a integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Here the limits are, now here limits are in x. Now these are y limits. So, y is equal to 0 to y is square root of a square minus x square. First of all, write what are the given limits. Now here the region of integration, the region of integration is what is the region? The region of integration is, so first of all write what are the limits here. Write y is equal to 0, here y is equal to square root of a square minus x square, and here x is equal to 0, x is equal to a. So, now that is here y is equal to 0. Now, simplifying this, y is equal to square root, then write y square is equal to a square minus x square, then write x square plus y square is equal to a square, and here x is equal to 0, x is equal to a. So, these are the given curves. So, now here what is x square plus y square is equal to a square? This is a circle, right. So, here y0 x0. So, first of all draw the curve. What is given curves? Here this is x axis and this one is y axis. So, x is equal to 0 is y axis, y is equal to 0 is x axis. Then x is equal to a and x square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square is equal to a square is a circle, right. Now, here draw x square plus y square is equal to a square in first quadrant. Here x0, y0, then it is in a first quadrant. Now, here point is here a comma 0, point on x-axis. Here the point is x0, y0, 0 comma 0. Now here 0 comma a. Now this curve is x square plus y square is equal to a square, right? Now what are the, to change into polar form, here we have to take some substitution. What is that substitution? Now here put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and take dx dy is r dr d theta. Then to convert into polar form, here r comma theta are variables, right? So then what are the limits of r and theta? So now take r and theta limits. Here when we take x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, so what we get here, x square plus y, x square plus y square, r square cos square theta, here r square sin square theta, then what is common, r square into cos square plus sin square. Now here actually x square plus y square is equal to a square, here r square cos square plus r square sin square is equal to a square. Now take r common, r square is equal to a square. So r square into cos square plus sin square, that is 1. Then simply write here r is equal to actually plus or minus a. Now here it is in first quadrant, then we have to take 0 to a. So then here r varies from 0 to a. Then what is theta? What about theta? Theta means here angle. So then now the required curve is so in this first quadrant. Now here what is the angle? Here theta is equal to 0, here theta is equal to pi by 2, right? It is in the now here theta varies from 0 to theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Now here write the limits are 0 to what is that? 0 to a, and x is 0 to pi by 2. So these are the limits, right? Now here write a given integral. What is given integral here? Integral 0 to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square, y into square root of x square plus y square dx dy. This is our problem, right? So after converting to polar form, here we take some substitution, x is r cos theta, y is equal to r square. Take the same substitution. So in this integral, now here r varies from 0 to a and x varies from 0 to theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, right? Now here set theta 0 to pi by 2. Now r varies from 0 to a, right? This is r 0 to a. Now what is here? Y is, what is y? Y is r sin theta. Here substitution, y is equal to r sin theta. Now here square root of x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? X square plus y square is equal to here a square. So what is a? That is r, right? X square plus y square, r square, then square root, so r. Next dx dy. What is dx dy? Here dx dy is r dr d theta, right? Now simplifying this, so here limits 0 to pi by 2, right? Next 0 to a. Now here both are constants. Now first integration with respect to r. So here r cube dr, then with respect to theta, right? Now simplify here integration of integral of r cube. What is r cube integration? So here r cube integration is r power 4 by 4. So integration is over. Our limit, right, limits 0 to a here into sin theta d theta, right. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit in place of r, then we get integral 0 to pi by 2 a power 4 by 4 sin theta d theta. Now here integration with respect to theta, then here a power 4 by 4 is constant. So right here a power 4 by 4. Now sin theta integration. What is sin integration? So sin integration is minus cos theta. Then substitute upper limit 0 to pi by 2, right. Now here a power 4 by 4, substitute upper limit, so minus here, so cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0 minus cos 0 is 1, right, here minus 1, so here minus of minus plus, so then we get finally a power 4 by 4. Now this is one example in change of variables. Now we can take one more problem. So that is so next problem, evaluate integral 0 to a integral y to a x by x square plus y square dx dy by changing into polar form, by changing into polar form, by changing into polar form. Now how to change into polar form? So here first of all draw the curves. So what is the region of given integration? So the region of given integration is region of integration is, so here y to a, then that are x is equal to y, x is equal to a, and here 0 to a, that are y limits, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to a, right. Now first of all draw the given curves. So what are the given curves here? This is x axis and y axis, right. Now here x is equal to y, x is equal to y is the line equation passing through origin. So this is a line equation, y is equal to x and x is equal to a, x is equal to a means parallel to y axis. So that is, this is the x is equal to a right here. Now the point here a comma 0, now here point is 0 comma 0 and y is equal to 0 x axis and y is equal to a. Now here the point of intersection of these two lines here a comma a, right. Now let it be a and this is b. The required region is, what is the required region? So here required region is this is the required region, okay, right. Now here we have to change into polar form. Then how to change it? By substitution. Put x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So here dx dy is r dr d theta, right. Now here when we take this substitution we get r. So then here x is equal to r cos theta and x is equal to r cos theta in this here. By x is equal to a, when x is equal to r cos theta, that is equal to a, that implies here r is equal to a by cos theta, a by 1 by cos is secant theta. Now here this is the required region. Now r varies from 0 to here 0 to a secant theta, and theta, what is theta? Here theta is, it is 0. Now here theta, that is this is the required line. Now it is y is equal to mx line, right? Mx means here m is the slope. So here 1 is the slope. That's why here write the angle here theta is equal to pi by 4. So that's why here theta varies from 0 to pi by 4. Then take given integral. So here 0 to a, here y to a, x by x square plus y square dx dy. Now here limits r varies from 0 to a secant theta and theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, right? Here 0 to pi by 4 and 0 to here r a secant theta. Now the function is x. X, what is x? Here x is r cos theta by here x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? Here x square plus y square. Then we get r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So then we get r square, right? So x square is r square into dx dy. What is dx dy? R dr d theta. Now here integral 0 to pi by 4. So here both totally r square cancelled. So here integration r is equal to 0 to a secant theta. Now sir, cos theta d theta dr, right? Here integration, here limits are r limits, then we have to integrate with respect to r first. So integrate with respect to r, then we get integral 0 to pi by 2. So here clearly cos theta is constant. Now integral dr is r. Now limits 0 to a secant theta into d theta. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. In place of r, here 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4 cos theta into, what is the here r upper limit a secant theta. So that is a secant theta minus lower limit 0 limit. So into d theta. Right here integral 0 to pi by 4. Integral 0 to pi by 4. So here secant theta can be write as 1 by cos. Then 1 by cos cancel. We get a d theta, right? So cos cancel, finally a d theta. Now here a is a constant, integral d theta, right? Here a 0 to pi by 4 d theta. Now integral d theta is theta. So limits 0 to pi by 4. So substitute upper limit and lower limit, we get a constant. So upper limit pi by 4 minus lower limit is clearly 0. So this is the double integration, change of variables in double integration, right? So in the next class we will discuss about change the order of integration. Thank you.